guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heather Hennessy. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different versions of overnight oats. But first, can I just express my love of overnight oats? I mean, what could be better than just throwing stuff into a mason jar and having your breakfast ready to go in the morning? Perfect. So the first recipe I'm making is a chocolate cherry chia, and the second one is peaches and cream. Let me show you just how easy this is. First, I'm going to add half a cup of oats to a mason jar. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a tablespoon of cocoa powder, unsweetened, and about 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. And I'm using the Enjoy Life chocolate chips, so they're totally vegan. And next I'm going to chop up about 10 cherries, and a half a tablespoon of maple syrup, and 2/3 cup of oat milk. And now before I put the cherries in, I'm going to give it a good stir. And now to add my cherries. And gently incorporate them in. And now all you have to do is put on the lid and put it in the fridge and wait for tomorrow. So next I'm going to make the peaches and cream overnight oats, and I'm only going to use half of a peach. I'm going to small dice the peach. All right, now grab your second mason jar. And again, adding half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/3 cup oat milk, and 1/3 cup light coconut milk. This is what makes it really creamy. And give it a good stir. Now add in your small diced peaches. Give it another good mix. All right, I'm back. So I've let my overnight oats sit in the fridge overnight, and they're ready. So let's see how they turned out. I'm gonna try the peaches and cream first. Creamy, very satisfying. The bits of peach in there are divine. Lovely little light breakfast, especially if you don't have a big appetite in the morning. Winner. Okay, now this one. I feel like this is kind of a heaven and hell thing. Like you got the angel here, you got the devil over here. Because honestly, this is more like a dessert than it is a breakfast. I mean, it's a breakfast in the same way waffles are a breakfast. They're not really, we all know better, but we just don't talk about it. So let's give this one a try now that I've talked it up. This is so good. You know, this would be a great dessert with a whipped cream too, but wow. That would go great with a cup of coffee in the morning. Got your chocolate fix, and the cherries are super delightful too. All right, you guys, I hope you like this recipe, and I really hope you share it with a friend because we can all use a quick breakfast in the morning, right? So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.